Presenting HP 15S laptop. It runs on Windows 11 operating system and weighs 1.75 kg. The laptop is powered by 11th Gen Intel Core i3-1125G4 processor, up to 3.7 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, 8 MB L3 cache, and 4 cores. It has Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 included. The 8 GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM and Intel UHD graphics provides a smooth experience. The 512 GB PCIe NVMe TLC M.2 SSD lets you store all your data worry-free. The laptop features 3-cell 41 Wh lithium-ion battery. The 15.6-inch diagonal display with HD resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, IPS, Micro Edge, Anti-Glare, 250 nits, 101 ppi and 45% NTSC gives you an immersive viewing experience. The laptop features dual speakers. This laptop also comes with HP True Vision 720p HD camera. The laptop has one Super Speed USB Type-C port, two Super Speed USB Type-A ports, one RJ45, one headphone and microphone combo, one AC smart pin, and one HDMI 1.4B port for easy connectivity. Inside the box, you will find the laptop and power adapter. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty.